This video concerns a tool for removing trash from pit latrines and septic tanks. This septic tank in Malawi is full of trash, mostly rags and bags, but sometimes hard objects such as bottles, which are difficult to remove with the hook. The gulper you're about to see was used successfully until it clogged with trash, and it took forever to get the trash out. Here's the trash that was pulled out of the gulper, as well as the hard bits shown here in the operator's left hand. If you have an evacuator truck, it may have enough power to pull the trash into the truck, but then how do you get the trash back out of the truck again? One can put a screen over your opening, shown here. This is the gulper screen, which only delays the problem. One solution is to use a bucket-based technique to get rid of the sludge, bringing up the trash with the sludge. This is an early version of my sludge digger device, which is the subject of a companion video on YouTube. The latest version has a number of features not seen here, but these devices will pick up trash, including hard objects. But sometimes you want to use a gulper or an evac or a vacuum tug or a vacuum truck, in which case it would be good to have tools for getting the trash out of the pit, including the bottles. So some students that I worked with on a design project class came up with the Crabtrap, shown here in a simulated open pit. You can see that it picks up trash, including bottles and soft objects. The handle and the ropes that are used to operate the Crabtrap always stay above the sludge, so they stay clean, and then for deep pits it is operated only with the ropes. Here we have a simulated drop hole, very small, about 10 centimeters by 18 centimeters, and this of course makes everything much slower, but the Crabtrap still works through the drop hole. And as you'll see, it even managed to pick up a bottle working blind and several other soft pieces of trash. This was the student's version of the Crabtrap. I made some modifications later, but the basic principle is the same. Here's the final tray. It's a little bit more rectangular. The handle is longer. This device was used in Malawi, though I have no video of it. You can see the debris from the pit latrine still on the mesh. It has a mechanism to prevent it from opening more than 180 degrees so that the nose of the tray can be pushed down into thick sludge using a long handle or a telescoping handle if necessary. Here's how the device would be used in thin sludge. Skinny to go through the drop hole, and then wide at the bottom, and then dipping up trash. You can either dump the trash into a receptacle, or if the sludge is sticky, you can use tongs to get the trash off. Here's how it would be used in thick sludge, opening up all the way and pushing the nose down into the sludge, scooping up the trash. Skinny again to come up through the drop hole, and then dumping into the receptacle. Again, skinny down through the drop hole, wide open. Push the nose down into the trash and the sludge, pull up to scoop up the trash, skinny through the top, and then up through the drop hole. Many thanks to my students who designed the original Crabtrap. Contact me for more information.